And accused killer Luigi Mangioni back in a New York City courtroom today as his defense attorneys fight to get key evidence thrown out in the state murder case against him. Today, prosecutors called to the stand police officers who were at that Pennsylvania McDonald's where Mangioni was arrested last year. ABC's Reena Roy has the latest.
As we see the moments Luigi Mangioni was arrested last year in the shooting death of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, today we're hearing testimony from Lieutenant William Hanley, the highest-ranking officer at the scene in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Lieutenant Hanley defending the warrantless search of Mangioni's backpack, saying he made that call according to Pennsylvania law, which states police can search a person and their items during an arrest. But Mangioni's defense attorneys argue that search was illegal due to a lack of a warrant, hoping to get that evidence from his backpack thrown out when this state murder case goes to trial next year. Police say inside that backpack they found a 3D printed gun, a slip of paper with alleged escape routes, and writings that prosecutors argue amount to a confession. Lieutenant Hanley heard on body camera footage calling the NYPD, saying, quote, "We might have the shooter," and telling the dispatcher that the suspect matches the photos that your department put out. He testified that based on reasonable suspicion, they thought Mangioni could be armed and dangerous. Prosecutors argue all evidence was obtained lawfully.
It's a pretty solid explanation. What he's describing is one of the few exceptions to a warrantless search, which is a search incident to a lawful arrest. What he's describing is he's saying, hey, we showed up, we believed him to be a suspect of another crime, but he lied to us, he gave a false document, forgery, and so those were charges that allowed us to arrest him.
Mangioni has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him. If prosecutors are expected to rest next week, then the defense will call two of its own witnesses. The judge will likely issue his written decision sometime in January. Reena Roy, ABC News, New York.